In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account in Calendly fast and easy. If you're looking to close your account and want to do it efficiently, just follow along as I walk you through the process, step by step. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Calendly account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly homepage. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Now take a look at the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll see several options related to your account. From this list, you'll want to select All Settings. We're heading towards the home stretch now, so keep following along. After clicking on All Settings, look through the options available on this page. You're going to find an option labeled Delete Account. Click on it. It'll be very clear, but here's where things might get a tad more sensitive and require a few extra steps. This is where Calendly ensures that deleting your account is really what you want to do. Once you've clicked on Delete Account, Calendly will send a verification code to your registered email address. Open your email in a separate tab or on your phone, locate that email, and retrieve the code. Once you have it, return to Calendly and enter that verification code into the field provided. This step helps to confirm your identity and ensures that no accidental deletions occur. Next, you'll see an option to select reason. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose the reason for closing your account. It's a pretty straightforward process. You'll see a drop-down menu with several predefined reasons. Just select the one that best suits why you're opting to delete your account. After you select the reason, another field will appear, labeled Anything Else You'd Like to Share. This is optional, but you can provide feedback that might help Calendly improve their services. Finally, to wrap it all up and complete the deletion process, you'll find a button that says, Yes, Delete. Click on that, and your account will be deleted. And there you have it. Your account is no longer active. Whether you're looking to switch to a new service or simply taking a break, you've now successfully learned how to delete your Calendly account. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Until next time, take